Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Spotify music while watching YouTube on mute. So, as you may know, when you play Spotify and you go to YouTube app and play a video, the Spotify stops. So that's a problem, and to fix this, you want to go ahead to your Safari and go to youtube.com. Now you want to go ahead and search for the video you want to watch, and for example, you choose a video. Now, as you can see, the video is playing, but you cannot mute it still here. So what you want to do is go ahead, click on the link of the Safari, go ahead and drag this and delete the M letter with the dot. Just delete it like so. Now go to this link, and as you can see, now the video is muted. What you cannot do is tap on it and basically, or fast forward with the video. Basically, you cannot do anything here. But what you want to do is go ahead to Spotify, play the music, and now you can go ahead, refresh this page, and now the video plays from the start again. But yeah, it definitely works. The music is still playing and the YouTube video is on mute. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.